Experience driving perfection in the 2012 Nissan 370Z. This two-door, two-passenger coupe just recently passed the 20,000-mile mark. Nissan made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Nissan prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, remote keyless entry, and more. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.